Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday, and I welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with some beautiful jelly paints. This is a glitter fuchsia water paint. These are jellies. Silver Bright. I think these are two gorgeous, gorgeous colors. They go good together, as you can see. We're going to be putting some water decals on them today. Give me just a quick second. Very sorry about that. I've got my water decals off to the side over here. I have got my ice cube stamper by Maniology. There's a code down below for a discount. I have got my glue gel by SheModern. We're going to apply that to the ring finger and the thumb. And then we will pop those in the lamp for a quick cure. Wipe one side of your brush off completely. Make sure you cover the nail, cuticle to tip. Sidewall to sidewall. Do nice thin layers. And the jelly water paints, is the key word is water, which means they do air dry. So you want to put those on in nice thin layers as well. We're going to pop those in the lamp. These we will put off to the side, and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Here are our two nails with the glue gel on them. We're going to start with our tribal design, which is what we are doing today, is a tribal design. I've got my scissors off to the side here. Press that down. Excuse me. That came out of nowhere. Okay, I've got my silicone tool. I'm going to take this. Make sure everything is applied right to the nail. And on this nail we are going to put, where's my stamper? Hello. We're going to put nail it. Now, oh, it will fit. I wasn't sure if this was going to fit across the nail or if I was going to have to do diagonally. Losing my mind here, but it does fit. Beautiful. How does that look to you? I think it looks pretty darn good myself. I am going to put some top coat on now and add a little bit of bling. Just a little bit. Should just top coat them all. If you haven't already, I invite you now to please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos and giveaways. I am close to hitting my 1,200 mark on subscribers. I'm not prepared at this time for a giveaway really, but when I hit 1,200 I would like to do something for someone. I just gotta, with international, I gotta figure that one out real quick. I might just do a gift card to Charlie's. How does that sound, everybody? A gift card from Charlie's. Hope I'm in frame. I wasn't paying attention. I'm very sorry. Okay, we are all top coated. Let's get us some bling. There we go. There's our first stone. First of many. We're just going to apply them right down the nail. Make sure they are centered before you stick them in the lamp. We're going to apply one more. One more. Alrighty. Let's stick this one in for a flash cure. And I want to put some on one more nail. I think we're going to do some on the tribal design. Oh my, there we go. I think it's this one out of the lamp. I think this one we will call it a day. We're going to stick this in the lamp for a full cure, which means 60 seconds. I do recommend that you have at least a 48 watt lamp, and I know a lot of other girls will agree with me. So we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp, the cooker, the oven. I think these turned out really cute. Oh, I got them mixed up. Hello. Hello, Ethel. Now I think they look really cute. A little bit of bling, a little bit of tribal design, and then we got our nail it. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my design today. I think this turned out rather well. I would wear it. I really would. So let me think. Or what you think. Would you wear it? Would you sport these nails? I was given an idea by somebody. I will remain them nameless, that they said I should start making press-on nails. And I've never thought about that before. What do you guys think? What's your opinion on that, since I do what I do? Let me comment down below about that. What's your opinion? I've never thought about it before, as I said. I don't know. Well, we're going to call this the end of our video. We are finito. Hope you liked our little video for today. Have yourselves a blessed day. We'll see you on Tuesday.